This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Raise the bonnet slightly, then move the safety catch lever to the side. Fully lift the bonnet, unclip the support prop and engage the end with the hole in the bonnet hinge bracket. Work around the edge of the engine cover, pulling upwards to release it from the rubber mountings. Lift the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the end of the HT coil. Squeeze together the release buttons and disconnect the breather hose from the camshaft cover. Slacken and remove the coil retaining bolts. Carefully lever the coil assembly upwards from the top of the spark plugs. Don't use excessive force. Clean away any debris from around the spark plugs. Unscrew the plugs using a spark plug spanner, suitable box spanner or a deep socket and extension bar. Keep the socket aligned with the spark plug. If it is forcibly moved to one side, the ceramic insulator may be broken off. A pair of long nose pliers will make extracting the spark plugs much easier. It is often very difficult to insert spark plugs into their holes without cross-threading them. To avoid this possibility, fit a short length of 8 mm internal diameter rubber hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross-thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage to the cylinder head. Remove the rubber hose and tighten the plugs to the specified torque. Maneuver the coil assembly into position over the spark plugs, then press it down firmly. Insert the coil retaining bolts and tighten them securely. Reconnect the wiring plug to the coil assembly, ensuring the clip engages correctly. Firmly press the breather hose onto the port in the camshaft cover. Align the engine cover with its mountings, then press down firmly. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place on the front panel. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.